Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome to a new video in PHP series. Today we will create a form for uploading documents. A form that takes PDF files as an input and stores them. A feature used very frequently for a government website or admission form. We need to submit all kinds of documents. So uploading files with PHP is a common task in web development, especially when building applications that require users to upload images, documents, or any other types of files. PHP provides built-in functions and features to handle file upload securely. Here's a basic example of how to implement file uploads in PHP. The HTML form upload form.php contains an import field of type. So basically now we'll discuss about the form structure. So input, we create a form in which you have an input field with typed file. So this is a specific type of input given to us by HTML in which you select a file from your local computer. When the form is submitted, it sends the file data to the PHP script using the post method. We can also use the get method, but the credential will be visible in the URL. So post method is the secure one. We define the target directory where the uploaded file will be saved and construct the target file path. So various checks are performed, such as checking if the file already exists, that whether you submitted or not, if it exceeds a certain size limit, or if the format is allowed. If all checks are passed, the file is moved from a temporary location where the PHP initially stores uploads files to the targeted directory. We will create two files, HTML form. One is the HTML file which is upload form.php, and the second is PHP script which has all the logics for it, that is upload.php. So this upload.php file contains server-side code to handle the file upload process using PHP. PHP provides a built-in function named move uploaded files that moves an uploaded file to a new location. So whether you have to collect all the applications submitted or all the documents submitted in a different folder to use it further. Next, using this we can upload a file in PHP. In the target variable, target directory variable, specify the desired for upload folder path where the uploaded file will be stored on the server. In the allow type variable, specify the types of the file in an array format that you want to allow to upload. That is .jpg, .pdf, .txt, whatever files you want to accept or you want to allow a user to submit, show that in this array variable. So use PHP move uploaded file function to upload file to the server. So this is basically the logic in which you store a file, you get a file in the variable, its whole path, and then you upload, and then it is moved to a directory, the location which is given in the directory variable. Remember to create an uploads directory, like the folder with uploads name in your project, to store the uploaded files, and ensure that the directory has proper permissions to file write operations. Additionally, always validate and sanitize your input to prevent security vulnerabilities such as directory transversal attacks. So this is a quite advanced topic, but basically you can use this feature in any of your project where it requires to submit some documents onto the server.